Hello everyone, I'm Betz Golden here with Rinea foil paper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to show you how to make a fun paper wreath using Rinea foil paper for Valentine's Day. So what you're going to need to do is I have the Variety Love pack, which comes with these beautiful fuchsia, blush, ruby colors in a starstruck and glossy texture. So you're going to want to take one of each color. So you want to take one fuchsia, one blush, one ruby, and you're going to cut down 1-inch strips. And I'm using the 6x12 strips. This is the Crafters pack. So you're going to be left with this. And I did it with three strips per color. So a total of 9 strips. Then from here, you're actually going to create a heart. And this is super easy. You're just going to fold it over in the middle like so. And then you're going to take some liquid glue. I like art glitter glue. And we're going to take and just, I'm pulling out some of my, we're going to need some paper clips as well. So you're just going to take and do a little line up here like so. And then from there, you're going to just fold it over like this, and so it goes in and it creates a heart. And you're just going to hold it together because you want it to adhere, right? And I like to take a paper clip and just place my paper clip right there until it is dry. And then you will be left with a cute little heart. So you can do lots of things with these little hearts. The reason why I enjoy using the Rinea foil paper with this is because it keeps its structure, but if it smashes down, it doesn't indent the paper at all, so you can, you know, flex it out, and it's a little bit more durable. So what you can do is you can take the hearts and you can actually line them up to create a chain and then put it into a wreath. So I've already done that, and I have connected each of them. I've glued them each on the side, and again I used the paper clips just to hold them. And so once it's dry, it's totally fine to take the clips off like so, and as you can see, it's holding together just fine. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and just connect our edges, and depending on the size of wreath that you want, you can either connect the tips like so and do like a tight knit, and then you wouldn't even need 9, you would need less, or you can do something a little bit more loose. So I'm actually going to pull in these two and see how that one kind of went up. I just got to poke it back down, super easy. So I'm going to actually go ahead and go in and connect this one here, and then also this one here, even though it's still drying. And that's going to give me a really pretty wreath. So it'll be something like this, only bigger. And you can put a piece of tulle or something through. Let me get a better background for you so you can see it. Kind of hard to see on the black. So it'll look like something like that. And depending on how many hearts you have, it'll be bigger or smaller. So you just have to figure that out. And I love it because I can definitely play with that a little bit and make sure the structure on those are good. Okay, so I'm just gonna take and put the glue like so. Just clip it so it will hold. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side with my red one I made, my red heart that I made. Just clip this like so. And then right there, I'm going to clip those together. And then once it dries, it'll hold just fine, and I can place it in any area of my home. So there we go. So that is how you can create a heart wreath with your Rinea foil paper. Make sure that you check out the shop link if you're interested in any of the paper. And I also have a YouTube channel. I am Betz Golden, so go check that out and subscribe. I would love to have you follow along. I do lots of crafty projects. Make sure you subscribe to our channel here as well. Until next time, I'm Betz Golden. Happy crafting.